I finally came across the Uno video, so I'm making my own spin on it. So that's not the layers though. Layers is how much you're adding on top of it. So imagine you putting lotion on, that's one time. I really like this color. Y'all. Hey guys, what is up? Why is this video so high? I am so sorry. How are you? Sydney here, back with another video. So I've been watching this Uno trend going on in the makeup side of like TikTok and YouTube. I finally saw Kathleen's video. I saw it today actually, and today is when she dropped it. So I figured why not make my own spin on it for the curly hair community. I do have Uno cards, but I thought it would be more fun to play with Trouble. So I'm just gonna use it like for the dice. I think that it eliminates the whole like skip part, because if I get a skip, I know for sure my curly hair routine is not gonna be bomb. I should have maybe combed my hair out before this, but I'm just really excited. Like I literally saw the video, I put up my video, took a shower, washed my hair, and now I'm here. So let's just start. Oh, let me get out the products that I want to use first. Okay, so to make this video as interesting as possible, I grabbed 4 products. I normally only put like 1 or 2 products in my hair, but I want this to be really fun. So we're gonna go in with the Curlsmith Featherweight Feather Light Protein Cream. 1. So I can only use like 1 layer of this. I mean, that's good. That's good. Isn't that good for us? I mean, I should put a lot then, right? It's not like the 1 pump challenge that I did, that I could only get 1 pump from that particular thing that I was using. Oh my god, this is not fun. Well, we have another cream anyways, so if you're wondering why my hair is shorter, it's because I cut it. I mean, honestly, all we really need is 1 layer. You know what I'm saying? Like, we shouldn't really need that much, but some of us have heavy hands, some of us need more product, honestly. I think this would be fun for like people with thick hair. Oh my god, I didn't get any back here. Next up, we're gonna go in with the Curl Defining Cream from Rizos Curl. I've had this for a really long time, I think almost a year now, and I want to get rid of it, so. 4 layers of it. I mean, I don't even think that I have enough product for 4 layers. Okay, I'm just gonna go in with a small pump then. And I'm gonna start applying it from the back because I didn't put any product here, like at all. Okay, layer 1. Oh, that was a lot. Layer 2. You ever give yourself a necklace with your hair? I've been shedding a lot, I don't know why. I haven't like had this much hair fall out in a really long time. So I'm kind of figuring out what it is that I need to do. The good thing about these products is that they're lightweight, so the more I use, it's not really that bad. Okay, that was 2, this is 3. Ooh. Last one, or not the last one, right? We got 4, yeah, no. 1 more. Trying to really make sure I get the crown because I did not get it when I did it earlier. Okay, and then this is gonna be the last one, and I think this is the last that it has. Yeah, it's empty. That was so nice. I like how God works. The universe. My hair doesn't really feel heavy like at all. Next up, we have the Frizzy's Curl Reviver Mousse. I really like this mousse on like 2nd, 3rd, 4th day hair, especially in the summer. And this is the only mousse that I have, so. 3 layers of mousse? 3 layers of mousse? I keep like in my head, it keeps calculating like I only get 3 pumps, but no, it's 3 layers. Jesus. Good thing though, well, I mean, Oh, well, in Uno, the difference is that you could get up to number 8. I can't do 8 layers of anything in my hair. My hair will like be flat. Okay. So there's 1 pump for me normally. Oh my god. Let's just do... Oh my god, I have to do 3 of these? Well, I know for sure my hair is not going anywhere. Imagine this becomes like the best routine I've ever had in my entire life. And it's because I put all of these products together. Okay, that was 1. I'm not cheating. This is how much I would normally put for my whole hair, so. Oh, I shouldn't have put it that high. Something about being on camera sometimes, you just be doing the most. Oh my god. My hair gonna be crunchy. I mean, they're looking really nice. They look so like, wow. They look really good. Like, wow, I'm surprised. 1 more. I don't know what it is about foam, but I love it. Let me put some up here because I don't think I touched it up there. No. I'm gonna flip my hair upside down and finish the rest. I wish you guys could feel my hair. It feels like I have like it's not light. Yeah, I feel the hair. It feels like different. Next up and lastly, it's gonna be gel, but I kind of like, since I normally don't put gel in my hair after mousse, I picked up this one that I don't use at all. It's the Curlsmith Color Recipe Color Copper. It's hair makeup, so why not? It's like a gel, but it just has a color in it, so. All right, let's hope for a good amount, because honestly, if I don't get a good amount in that, it's not gonna look right. 6 layers? You're bugging. Oh my god. I mean, I guess that's good for us. We're gonna have copper hair. I really want to dye my hair copper, like badly. Badly. You have no idea. I forgot the best. Okay, so that's gonna be 1 layer because I forgot how to use this. Apply on damp detangled hair, divide hair in sections, rake generously through each section, then scrunch to help bring curls back. Oh, I have to section my hair. I guess oh, it's gonna mess up my robe. Oh, not robe, cardigan. Imagine this on my hair. Wow. I mean, it's there. It looks like I have like a balayage. Cause like, how am I supposed to get it up there? You know? Well, that was 1 layer on this side of my hair. So is it gonna be like, can I do 1 layer? Well, we need assistance, please. We need a ref. Okay, so I put one pump, 1 thing of gel, and it only went for this. So do I keep doing 1 on each? Because now I have to do 1 here and then 1 here. Or no, I could just do this half and half. So can I do, so can I put 1 more?
What was it?
Because it doesn't have a layer.
I mean, you could layer like this, like this, like this.
Well, I'm not gonna put it all the way in my roots.
There's layers. It could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So that's not the layers though. Layers is how much you're adding on top of it. So imagine you putting lotion on. That's 1 time, then 2 times, then 3 times. So now I'm gonna put another thing, but is that gonna count for the 6 or no? Because I just didn't apply enough for both sides. So no. Thank you for helping me.
Yeah, that won't be. You have to put 6.
Yeah, I am putting 6. I think the praying hands method is better for this. Just because look how much more I got on it. I don't even know if you guys can see. Yeah, you can see that. I think this technique is better. This is probably gonna be the whole video of this. Whoa, 6 layers. Another one. That whole like raking through, that does not work for my hair. God, it feels illegal to just do what I just did right now. So wait, I'm on the second layer. Okay, so now this is gonna be the second layer on this side. Okay. I'm gonna speed through this because I know it's a lot. Okay, this is the last one, 6. Gee, that is a lot. I just went through basically the whole bottom. I know I was talking like, oh, I want to get rid of it. I'm just, I guess now since I've had to put so much product, I'm just trying to like put it in my roots so that it looks like real. I didn't do this before. I think I was too scared. Good thing about this is you could just wash it out. This is gonna really decide if I'm gonna turn to copper or not. Okay. I need to scrunch this out though with something. I can't do it with a shirt because then it's gonna, wow. Okay. Yeah, this is way too much gel. Whatever. Let's just scrunch. This sounds crazy. I think everything went well until we got to this makeup section. I'm like really vibing with it. But yeah. I'm gonna diffuse my hair, come back with regular painted hands. Okay, I fully diffused and wiped off the excess of my hair. This is how it looks. I haven't fluffed it out. It sounds like tinfoil. Like, we is crusted. Crusted, dusted. And I'm very afraid that all of this hard work that I did is gonna come off. All right, let's just get started. Yeah, I don't even feel all the hair. I can't do anything about this right now. I really look like a ginger. I can't even push a comb through this. Maybe this wasn't a good idea. My hair is not fully puffed out yet, but I can feel it getting there. I'm definitely gonna sleep with a bonnet tonight. I really like this color. Let me see without the cardigan. It's giving, I don't know anybody that looks like this. I don't know, you guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments. I should possibly have a little thing here that tells you how it went the next day, but that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Try this out if you have any kids that don't like getting their hair done. I think you can make it into a game. Could possibly be fun. And maybe it's cool to like spice up your whole little thing that you got going on, you know? Give it a try, because I definitely wouldn't have put 6 rounds of gel in my hair. I wouldn't have done that. 6 layers in my hair. I would not have done that at all. But I'm really happy I did. Like, I can now see what my hair would look like if I actually had this hair color. Y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you and you in the back soon.